guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, and check it out. It's not God of War. Since we finally finished that sucker up, this is actually a colorblind test that Jack did, and I wanted to see how colorblind I actually was, because as far as I know, I'm not at all. But who knows? I could be. I no fucking clue if I am or not. So I'm pretty sure that I figured out one of the problems I always have. Why is it so? Why? I don't get it. I don't know. Well, I'll just fix that and edit. For some reason, it's like really blue right here on my throat. I don't know why. But yes, we're going to jump right into this and do a colorblind test myself, because I'm just curious to see how colorblind I actually am. So, as far as I know, I'm not. But we'll see. So, right off the bat, I can see a 7 in here. I don't know about you guys, but I can see that 7 clear as day. Pictured as most of the 7. Most individuals with normal color vision will see this number. Alrighty. Alright, now I immediately see a 6. Number pictured is 6. Alrighty. 26. Yeah, I do see that. Picture's 26. And this is not just because I watched Jack play it and I know the numbers. I'm actually, seriously, if I can see them, I'm going to say what it is. I'm going to do the other one, too, here in a second. 15. Where's picture's 15? Yep. Hot diggity damn. Alright, now we're going to do, it looks like a 6. 6. Yep, I see it. Number picture is 26. 15. 6. 73. Yeah, 73. Okay. It looked almost like a 2, but it's a 7. So, yeah. Alright, number 22. Most individuals with normal color vision. Yep. I see a 5. 5. Most individuals with normal color. I can see this number. Alright. 16. Cool. 45. Yeah, alright. Wow, I can see that clear as day. That's a 12 right there. One should be seeing 12, including people that are colorblind. Well, I didn't really help my self-esteem any, but whatever. Alright, we got 29. Number picture 29. Most individuals with normal color vision will see this number. I see an 8 and 74. There you have it. I passed that one with flying colors. Got every single one right. But like I say, that's not the main one I wanted to do, because I wanted to do the Enchroma one as well. So I guess plenty of fucking time for that. So I'll see you guys as soon as I boot that one up. Check for hint number 10. You will see it. Here we are. This is the Enchroma one. This is the second one that Jack did. And again, it's not because I know which numbers there. I don't exactly remember the whole video at the same time because I was busy with Colton at the time. So it's like I was watching it, but not really watching at the same time. So, those small dots. Yeah, from 1 to 9. Okay. And this is the one that even I was having trouble with. So we're gonna see just how good I can get with this one. All right. I see a 2. I see a 6. That looks like a 5. Another 5. 5. A tree. A 1. 2. 3. Are they just dicking with me? It's a 6. Looks like a 2. I think I see a 2 in there. Yeah, I see a 2. Barely. 6. Another 2. A 3. That's an 8. That is nothing. I think that's nothing. I'm saying nothing. 4. 5. That's obviously 5 too. A 1. Nothing. 3. A 3. Yeah, I see it. Barely, but yeah, 6. A loading screen. I don't know, because there's nothing there. I mean, do you guys see something? Unsure. Okay, there we go. 7, 2, 2, 8, 9. You fucking bastard! Ah! There we go. 5, 4, 5, 8, 2, 9. We kind of zip through some of these because I can see them really easily. So 5. Whoa. 4. 3. 3. 3. Nothing. 3. 2, 3. Oh, Jesus. 7, 9, 6, 3, 8, 5. Nothing. Unsure. 3. 3. 6, 5. My nose itches so bad. What is going on here? Is it done? Is it's thinking? I don't know what's going on. I'm curious to see how colorblind I am. If I am at all colorblind, I don't fucking know. Hello. Hello. He's not doing the thing. He's not doing the thing. It's, you guys are seeing this, right? It's just a blankness. Nothing. Really? Computer? Come on. What in the flying hell? I want to know. I really do. Because I'm really curious to see if I actually am partially colorblind. I don't know. I mean, I know I could just go get tested for it, but I don't have the money for this. It's free. Apparently. I'm gonna stop the test because apparently it's done. It's just not fucking going nowhere, so don't know what the hell's going on. My God. Start now. Okay, here we go again. Take 3, I think it is. Alright, that's a 2. That's a 5. Yeah, there's a bunch of dots. Nothing? Nothing? Are they just dicking with me? Nothing. 5. Nothing. I'm pretty positive that was nothing. 6. 4. 6. 6. 3. Okay, now we're getting... Okay, it's 8. 3. 8. 7. 1. 9, 3, nothing, 6, 5, 9, 6, 7, 3. Back to the shit again on the last few questions. Why? What in the freaking crap is going on? Oh, okay. Normal color vision. Hot diggity damn. Okay, cool. I have normal color vision. I'm not colorblind at all. People who have normal color vision are able to see the hidden shape in nearly all of the test conditions. When people with normal color vision wear Enchroma glasses, they see... no thanks. No, I don't want... No, I don't want to pay... No. I want to read. Thank you. People who wear... when people with normal vision wear Enchroma glasses, they see a color boost effect. Color appear to pop with a superordinary vibrance. This effect, called chromatic contrast enhancement, is how our glasses also help people with color blindness. That's cool. Wait, can I watch this? I kind of want to watch this. This looks cute. Alright, let's watch this little video.
Oh my god!
Your phone looks different?
It's like this looks very, like, pretty similar, but this pink, like this.
Look at your kid's eyes, Petey. They're so pretty.
You can tell orange.
Yeah?
What else is it?
What are you talking about?
The streamers.
Wait a second. Ah! It's green. I thought it was all orange. How did I think it was all orange? That's green.
That's cool.
Oh my god!
What is she looking at?
Oh my god, they work off. Oh my god.
That is cool.
God, it's really beautiful. You're supposed to keep them on.
I know, but I have to compare some. Like, you can't tell me not
Do you know
to
what?
compare
Do you know what
some.
color this is?
It's green. It's super green.
Oh my god, it's so real!
It is real. It is real.
Now you can dress I can't look at the cow, man!
Oh my god. What the hell?
Spectacular!
That's cool as hell. I mean, I'm not laughing to make fun of. This is like really legitimately fucking
The
cool.
world look, I swear to God. It's like, it's so crazy.
Purple.
You have purple in your shirt.
I do.
Purple and green.
I never knew that. I always thought the shirt was yellow and blue.
That's nuts. God, that is just too cool.
Dang.
That's it. That's cool as hell. Bravo, that's cool. I mean, I was actually legitimately curious because when Jack was taking this test, some of them I didn't see and he saw some. So I was like, maybe I am a bit colorblind, but I'm not. So that's really cool. So now we're gonna go. Whoop. You can see my curtain now. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this episode here, you guys. I actually went a little bit over time by like 50 seconds, but still, I'm gonna go ahead and end this episode here, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully, if, I'm gonna drop the link to these down in the description down below. So if you guys want to check to see how see if you're colorblind as well, go ahead and give them a click. I was legitimately curious because that Enchroma one, it changes anyway. So I mean, it's not like you can just cheat and say, oh, I'm just gonna use Blitz's answers and I'm not gonna be colorblind. But be honest with what you get, because that's why that foundation does what they do, is to help people with color blindness or help people with color deficiencies be able to see. And that is fan-freaking-tastic. I mean, if I was colorblind, or if I was color deficient in anything, I would, if I could afford it, I would get some glasses like that, but I can't. So I just have to stuck with it. So apparently I'm not colorblind, so that's awesome for me. I mean, if you're colorblind, that's cool too. It's no big deal. It's no biggie, not judging. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys are enlightened by this, especially that little clip of that deal that they showed. That was really cool as well. So, all that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And peace.